past an antique store and stopped in.
Well, what is it?
It's a typewriter.
Wasn't it expensive?
No, they said it was broken, so they gave it to me for free.
Here's your lunch. Gotta go to ballet.
Thanks, Isabel.
Bye, Isabel.
Bye.
Hey, Kanani, what you doing?
Opening the typewriter. Want to see?
Yeah, I'd love to. Whoa, it's so cool.
I know.
Do you know where it's broken?
No. Would you take a look at it?
Sure.
Luciana, it's your day to do the dishes.
Coming. Oh, look, the typewriter. This is perfect. I can use it for my essay. And look, Tutu, I think Luciana already fixed it. Let's see. It's not working. Oh no, I think I broke it.
Isabel?
Oh, are you okay? Oh yeah, I'm totally fine, totally. My typewriter? It's broken. Isabel? Yeah, why is my typewriter here? Oh, well, and why is it broken? What a disgrace. Take your cat and leave. No, please come back. I didn't mean to. It was an Oh. Phew. Oh no, what am I gonna do? I know what I'm gonna do. Tutu, this website, it's perfect. I just have to send in the typewriter, they fix it and send it back, and it's so cheap. Looks great, Lily. Thanks. Luciana, what's that? I'm not sure. Did either of you guys order anything? Nope. Me neither. Oh, hey guys, that's mine. What is it? Nothing. Weird, yeah. Coast is clear. Alrighty. Phew, it's fixed. Now to practice my apology speech. Ahem. Isabel, dinner's almost ready. Coming. Why do you have the typewriter? I am very sorry for breaking the typewriter. Huh? I took it from Luciana's room and broke it again. But I hadn't fixed it yet. You what? Yeah, Kanani couldn't fix it, so I was going to, but after I washed the dishes, I couldn't find it. So it was broken the whole time, and I used all my money to fix it. Yep. What? I expect a refund. I can't believe it.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.